Right, this one's all about problems, the kind of thing you lived with for years, never thinking there might be a fix. Well, turns out there's an app for most of them, five of them, each solving a little annoyance you didn't know you could fix. Let's go. First, car sickness. If you can't read in a moving car without feeling queasy, this one's for you. Kinestop puts a subtle pattern of moving dots over your screen. Your eyes catch the motion in the corner of your vision, your brain stops getting confused, and the nausea settles. Sounds odd, but it genuinely works for a lot of people. Next, waking up, a normal alarm just yanks you out of deep sleep at a set time, and that's why you feel rough. Sleep like Android is cleverer. It uses your phone's microphone and motion sensors to track your sleep, then wakes you in a gentle window when you're already in light sleep. Same alarm time, far nicer mornings. Number three, for the moments you always just miss, Flashback Cam quietly keeps a rolling 30-second buffer in the background. So when your toddler or your dog does something brilliant and unrepeatable, you hit record and it saves the 30 seconds that already happened. No more filming everything for hours. One honest heads up though, running that buffer does drain your battery, same as a normal camera would. Last two, a quick double. Smart File Organizer sorts the chaos of your downloads folder, grouping files by type, finding duplicates, and bulk renaming in seconds. That one's recommended by its own developer, worth flagging, and URL Checker intercepts a link before it opens and shows you the real destination so you can spot a dodgy phishing link before you tap it. So there you go, five small apps for five problems. Kinestop for car sickness, Sleep Like Android for better mornings, Flashback Cam for the moments you miss, and Smart File Organizer plus URL Checker for a tidier, safer phone. Everyone fixing something you'd be putting up with. That's episode 2 of 3. Episode 3 is the power user stuff, apps that make your phone properly programmable. Tell me below, which one do you need most?